Hello children, today we will continue our chapter Human Health and Diseases. And you remember yesterday we discussed about the two diseases caused by the bacteria, typhoid and pneumonia. And today we are starting the disease caused by the protozoan. So the first disease caused by the protozoan is malaria, which is a very deadly disease, and it is caused by the pathogen called Plasmodium, which completes its life cycle in two hosts. Okay, the first host is Anopheles mosquito, which is female mosquito, and the secondary host is man. Okay, do remember that it completes its life cycle in three phases, that is schizogeny, this is the first stage. Second stage is gamogony, and third stage is sporogony. Okay, each one of the stage we will discuss. Let me explain you this diagram first. As you all can see, the primary host is a female Anopheles. So what happens in the body of stomach, you all can see the sporozoite stage, okay, migrate to the mosquito salivary gland, and many sporozoites are formed in the salivary gland of mosquito. Now what happens when it is ready with the sporozoite? When the mosquito is ready with the sporozoite, and already sporozoites are in the salivary glands of mosquito. So whenever this mosquito, which is infected with the Plasmodium, bites the human, then the sporozoites enters to the human blood. Now the parasites, now we will call this parasite as sporozoite, because here you can see the sporozoite form of Plasmodium has entered to the RBCs of the human. Okay, this is the red color which is shown here is the RBC. Now from blood it will go to liver cells. Is it clear? So from blood it will go to the liver cell, and there in the liver cell the parasite start reproducing asexually in liver cells. As soon as this asexual multiplication gets over, the liver cell bursts and releasing the pathogen into the blood. Okay, so do remember, in human host the reproduction done by the Plasmodium is asexual. Is it clear? So asexually all the cells have divided. Now the Plasmodium will come out of the liver cell. Parasite which has reproduced asexually in RBCs, the RBCs now starts bursting, causing cycles of fever, and this fever happens in the humans because of the special chemical called hemozoin, HEMOZ. Let me write clearly, hemozoin. This is HAEMOZOIN. Okay, now the parasites reproduce asexually in red blood cells, and the fever symptoms also starts appearing because now the pathogen has reached to red blood cells again. It started with the red blood cell in the human, reached to liver cell, their asexual reproduction is completed, then the pathogen has reached to red blood cell. Now the gametes have developed in the red blood cells, and it is ready for sexual reproduction. And at this stage, if a mosquito bites the human body, then the gametocytes means the cells of gametes enter to the mosquito, Okay, the gametocytes enter to the mosquito's body. Okay, because for mosquito the blood is a meal and gametocytes are now in the human blood. Male and female gametes are ready for sexual reproduction, which will happen in the mosquito host. Is it clear? So female mosquito takes up gametocytes with the blood meal. It will reach to the mosquito intestine. You all can see, because in mosquito intestine only fertilization will take place. That means male and female gamete cells will fuse and the large number of cells will be produced, which are sporozoites. And sporozoites, once are formed in the intestine, will reach to the salivary gland of mosquito. Again this is ready for another cycle. So in this way the plasmodium completes its life cycle. Okay, this much for today. Notes I will give you of this topic. Thank you.